Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to come here and show you how I created this hairstyle. My hair was in a twist for about 2 weeks and I just wanted to refresh it and style it. So this is what it looks like, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how I did it and how I created this little hairstyle here. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the video. Bye! As you can see, my hair is looking a little dry, so I do need to refresh it and moisturize it so that it can be ready for my hairstyle. As always, I'm gonna be using water. I'll be using my cream and some oil in my hair to moisturize my hair. If you've been watching my natural hair videos, you would notice that I always use water as my moisturizing base before I use any other products in my hair. Now in my water, there's always aloe vera juice as well as avocado oil and olive oil in the water. And here I'm just massaging my hair with oil, and it's the same oil as that I use on my scalp, including castor oil. So I'm just massaging my hair thoroughly with my fingers. If you have long nails, just make sure that your nails doesn't get in your scalp, because you do not want to damage your scalp. So just massage it with your fingertips. Make sure that it is well massaged all throughout your head. Now I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature. This product is one of my staple products. I've been using it for a very long time. So it's one of the best products out there for moisturizing and shine. It does so many things for your hair and it's very beneficial. So now for my hair cream, I'm going to use the Cantu. This one is argan oil, and this is one of the products that I've been using in my hair for a long time as well. I do love Cantu shea butter as my hair cream. They do have a Cantu shea butter, but right now I have the argan oil. However, I have the shea butter added to it, the raw shea butter. I added that to my Cantu to make it into a better, more beneficial cream for my hair. So I repeated the same steps on the other half of my head. Just use water, oil to massage it, using the Cream of Nature as well as the cream Cantu shea butter to moisturize my hair. And to lock the moisture, I use a little bit of oil on my actual hair. So now if you notice, I use the LCO method. I use liquid, cream, and oil to moisturize my hair. We can also use the lock method, which is LOC, liquid, oil, and cream, whichever you prefer. I prefer the LCO method. So finally, my hair is looking the way I want to look. It is moisturized, it's shiny, and it is ready to style. Now I also wanted to refresh my hair. I have been wearing it for a couple weeks now, and I just wanted to be a little bit more fresh so I can use it for another week or so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to untwist it and retwist the front, not my whole head, just the front, because I just want it to look fresh for my hairstyle. So for the sides, I'm going to separate it in two so I can flat twist the front side because I'm still going through a little bit of a damage edge. So I just want to protect my edge, and I'm going to flat twist the front side of it. And once that's done, we're just going to repeat it. Just untwist and retwist the whole front line and make sure that it looks fresh for the hairstyle. Now that that's done, I'm just going to start working on my hairstyle. I plan on doing an updo with my hair. So I'm just gonna put it up as high as I can, and I'm going to use one of my biggest hair ties to tie my hair up. And because my edges are so sensitive, whenever I do an updo, I gotta make sure I protect my edges so they don't get damaged. And right now they're already damaged and I don't want to damage them even more. I'm just gonna let them down and style them down. As you can see, I'm using a big hair tie. I found this in a dollar store, which you can find in any dollar stores, I think, or you can buy from Amazon. I like using bigger hair ties because I don't like using the small ones, and then you have to tie them with a pin, and I just hate having pins in the middle of my head. So yeah, this is very convenient if you would like to try this as well. So because my hair is in twist, I can just twirl them and just tie them up. I don't need to use any pins or anything like that, which I really like that because I hate using pins in my head. They pinch me a lot and it gets really uncomfortable. So fortunately, I can just do that and not have to use pins. But if you have less hair than myself and you have to use pins, just yeah, you can just do that and pin your hair up if you want to try this hairstyle. So next, I'm just going to style the sides. My flat twist needs to be styled as well. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm just going to use rollers and roll them up and just make sure that they look a little curly to go with my hairstyle. I'm also going to accessorize my hair bun. So I'm going to use some gold accessories that you can also find from Amazon. They're little metal cuffs that you can put around your hair. They use them with the dreadlocks, um, but I also like to use them for my twist. Next, I'm just going to use my head wrap, just wrap it around my head, and I'm gonna leave it for about an hour or so just to make sure that my hair looks even more fresh for the hairstyle. 2 hours later. So that's how long it took me to do my makeup, and keep my hair in the wrap just to make sure that my rollers are ready to go, my hair is ready to go, and my makeup is well done because I have an event that I'm going to today. So this is how it looks like, guys. Is it nice? Do you like it? I feel like this took forever for me to do, but I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. If you enjoy videos like this, there will be more here and a variety of other things that I'm working on. So thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!